Hi, children. Welcome, all of you, to our second unit C.V. Raman, the Pride of India. So, children, hope you enjoyed my first video. In that first video, we came to know the greatness of the scientists and the greatness of inventions, really, and how science is useful, how science becomes a problem also. Suppose if you don't use it properly, isn't it? All these things we discussed. And slowly we entered the lesson also. Because I know you all remember where I stopped. Bhau Bazaar Street, Kolkata, isn't it? The old building, Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Once again, children, this lesson is adapted. Adapted meaning also I gave you, made a short. The big one is made into a short one from Scientists of India. That's the book published by Children's Book Trust, New Delhi. Okay, children? Right, this is what happened in the previous video. So, slowly we'll enter the lesson, isn't it? So, Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a young man, K.S. Krishnan, rushed in. So, that was a beautiful building. Children, it's like a laboratory, what we say. It was a beautiful laboratory because it happened in 1927 in December, beautiful evening, and that was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So what happened? One young man, Mr. K.S. Krishnan, rushed in and announced, "Sir, Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize." So already before C.V. Raman sir, there was another professor, not from our country, Professor Compton, who won the Nobel Prize. Means by that time, he didn't win. Our C.V. Raman sir didn't win by that time. But this was a great news, really. And all of your children, Nobel Prize. Here we should discuss Nobel Prize also. Many of us, we just commit a mistake. Noble, Nobel. See the difference? Noble. Same, almost same pronunciation. Noble, noble. Noble means inspiring, great. You can say, for example, Mahatma Gandhi is a noble leader, isn't it? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir was a noble teacher. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was a noble teacher. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was a noble engineer. Okay, like that anybody we can say. Noble means one who inspires. Noble, mind the spelling, children. But here, Nobel Prize, Nobel. Nobel, Alfred Nobel. I think most of you heard this name. Alfred Nobel was a great scientist. So this prize was named after him. That's why it's called Nobel Prize. If we are getting Nobel Prize, do you know how great we are? Because of all the prizes in the world, Nobel Prize is considered the most precious, because it's the prize given to the highly knowledgeable, something who really did something great to the world, to the people. In various fields it is given. In physics, mathematics, economics, medicine, isn't it? And Mother Teresa, all of you, she got this prize for what? For peace. Peace lovers. And recently also our Indian got, all of you know. Who? Kailash Satyarthi. He got the Nobel Prize for Peace. Do you know? Along with one young girl. Do you remember that girl? Malala Yousafzai. They both shared this. So, if anybody is getting Nobel Prize means, super sir, really. The whole world recognizes them in a very different way. Like Bharat Ratna in our India. Like that Nobel Prize. Okay, children? So, what you have to do now? Beginning only I am giving you assignment. What sir, video is going and you are giving assignment only? No, very creative, Nana. Do not simply take the book and keep on writing and sharing. Enjoy the lesson. I told something about Nobel Prize. Now, what you have to do, you Google it. You know, all of you, go to Google Mother, Google Mother. Please show me in how many fields Nobel Prize is given. How many fields? Already I told you, medicine, mathematics, peace, that's it, there I left. Still there, you see. How many fields Nobel Prize is given, and write the names of those Indians till now. Hey, till 2019, I'm telling you. How many Indians got Nobel Prize? You write the name of the Indian and in which field they got. For example, see C.V. Raman sir, physics, already I told you. You can't write that name. Oh, you write? You want to write? No problem, nothing wrong. You write it. Oh, first you write C.V. Raman, Sir C.V. Raman, physics. Okay. Now what about other people? Come on, Mother Teresa also I told you. Mother Teresa, though she was not born in India, she accepted the prize on behalf of our country. Because all of you know, she came from Yugoslavia, she settled in Kolkata, she lived in India, and she died in India. All of you know, children. So, two names already I have given. So, other all here. This is the beautiful assignment. Today itself I am telling you. Sorry, you left a lesson and you are telling all other things. No. Everything I am going according to the lesson only. Sir, without Nobel Prize, what C.V. Raman, sir? Isn't it? Without C.V. Raman, sir, Nobel Prize also not there. How is it? Right? Right. So that is a small assignment, children. Be ready. Now come on, let us continue. So Raman was delighted. So Professor Compton got excellent news, man. What a wonderful news he brought, really. That's really wonderful. If this Compton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true of light too. So small clue we got. C.V. Raman sir said. Okay. So the effect, Compton effect. I'm sorry, it's not Crompton. Crompton Greaves ceiling fan is there. No, not that one. This is Compton. 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 Compton effect. In what? In X-rays. Children, all of you know about X-rays, no? In that he discovered something. Some rays effect. So it was named after him. Compton effect in X-rays. So for that he was awarded Nobel Prize. Now already that time C.V. Raman sir was discovering something in light. So he thought, yeah, so in X-rays this effect is true. Why can't it be in light? Okay, let us see. That's it. But he felt very happy. No jealousy, Nana. Scientists don't have jealousy. Do you know? They always see one discovered something. That's it. They'll go for the next discovery. So few years earlier, A.H. Compton had shown that the nature of X-rays changes which pass through matter. The change was dependent on the kind of matter. This effect was called the Compton effect. Children, don't worry. When you listen to this, it is all beyond your knowledge right now because you are still 7th standard, no? Don't worry. But one thing, you want to know more about Compton effect, no? Very simple. Our teacher is always there, no? Science teachers, when we come, we can ask them. But here, teachers are not there. One teacher is always there in your palm. Who is the teacher? Google, Mother Google. That's it. Just Google it, you will get the information. Isn't it? Right. So now, he thought, when it could be done with X-rays, why can't it be done with light? He put this question to himself. Who is this he? Children, who is this he? Sorry. Who is this he? Raman. So for 5 years he had been doing research in optics. OPTICS. Have you ever heard this word, children? Optics. I think some of you already having this what you call spectacles. No, you are wearing spectacles. Ayo, small children only spectacles. Okay. So where do you purchase spectacles? To an optician. So who advised you to wear the spectacles? Ophthalmologist means eye doctor. So ophthalmology is the study of eye related problems. Optics here, optics is the science of light. Okay, these are called one word substitutes. Don't worry, all big words are coming, no? Slowly you'll learn. OPTICS. the science of light. And in those days, what equipment, Nana? Do you think beautiful equipment was there? No, 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 no. Very less equipment. No sophisticated equipment was available in the laboratory. Sophisticated. 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 Once again. Sophisticated. Sophisticated means highly modern, very advanced. Today you see our science highly advanced. COVID tests, you know how fast they are doing. I think you know all of you, Andhra Pradesh stood first in COVID tests. Almost 6 plus lakhs. Today cases have come out means how? With how it's possible. Testing, modern equipment, advanced technology. Everywhere, not only in health, in education. Even we see now I'm teaching lesson happily at my home and through mobile. You're all watching there in your homes. Isn't it? This is all the sophisticated equipment everywhere in science, technology, education, health, whatnot. But those days, no equipment, Anna, no equipment at all. But still, then, C.V. Raman sir was highly confident. 4 months passed, Anna. March 16, 1928. Mind the dates, Amma. 1928, March 16. Raman sir announced his discovery of new radiation. Radiation. I think all of you know. You heard this word also. See, our phone gets very hot. Sometimes you say, Daddy, phone, it's becoming very hot, Daddy. Mama, you see, what is that? That means we have used it more. That is on radiation. Isn't it? That radiation effect. But most of the phones, no problem because at the time of manufacturing only, they have given that. But if it's go beyond, no, what happens? That is a radiation. Radiation means describing the behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical to an assembly of scientists at Bengaluru, Bangalore. The British gave that name Bangalore, but it's Bengaluru. Now it was changed. So there he explained this new radiation to the assembly of scientists. Assembly means team. Team of scientists were sitting. It's a collective noun. Assembly means group. To them he explained. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. This one only it's called the Raman effect. The new radiation, what he discovered about the light. What is this, Amma? The behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical. Chemical in the form of liquid. So the beam of light is passing through that chemical. That is called the Raman effect. Okay. The world completely hailed. Oh, superb, superb. We say, no, kudos, sir. Jindabad, we say. First time the world heard this Raman effect. And for scientific research in this country, it was a red letter day. When we say red letter day, highly historic red letter day means sometimes no one can forget the day, an important day. See how August 15th, red letter day, 26th of Jan, a red letter day, isn't it? In the same manner, Tsunami, all of you, when is that? December 26th, red letter day. Hudud, I think if I'm not wrong, October 16th, no, I'm not sure. So these are all the red letter days. We can never forget. Like that, it was a red letter day because to the world, C.V. Raman sir gave his discovery. His discovery caught the attention of the whole world. What happened next? Children, catch me up in my next video. Okay, bye.